The copywriter changes the content for the web. The copywriting figure became vitally crucial in writing or adapting articles optimized for search engines since the year 2000. The copywriter is sometimes called the ghostwriter, since his name will not necessarily appear in the article's publication even if he has totally or partially written the article. Its function is to write and modify articles to be optimal for the search engines and not to create for the writing. The final result is considered an article of the website intellectual and legal property where the content is published. The copywriting process shapes the content of an article so that it manages to capture the reader's attention and thus bring it to a point where he or she takes action. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.